Let's make Alfredo chicken tacos. Line the chicken titty with a cling film. Get your trusty soul crusher and beat your meat. I'm sure you don't need help in that. Once nice and flimsy, just a hit of salt, pepper and magic powder. And now to the dredging station. Breadcrumbs, flour, 2 baby chickens seasoned with salt and pepper. That is culture by now. Into the flour, family reunion of 3, into the breadcrumbs. Make sure you pat it in, that guarantees a crust. And now for the interesting part. Wrap her in cling film. You want that chicky to hang out. You don't want to cook a stressed chicken. Also, we're making a taco. Let that poor chicky go into the freezer for 3 hours. Into the hot oil, you know the drill, hold them down until the bubbles start. Is that you, chicky? When it's all nice and golden. So now we do la pasta. Bring a pot of washing water to a boil. Throw in your favorite, ooh, it actually did the thing. Throw in your favorite pasta. In a pan, melt a knob of butter. This is actually my last knob. I don't know how we're gonna run this bitch without butter. Finally minced garlic, some flour. This is called a roux. Stream in half a cup of moo juice. Can't forget about the cheese. Some nutmeg, season with some salt and pepper. In goes the pasta, some of that pasta water. Everything reminds me of her. On the bright side, it's assembly time. That not so taco shell, the Alfredo pasta. Top with some chopped parsley and that's just it. Holy balls! Around here we are all about the quirky ideas.